Hey everyone, back again. I've got another wish find here. Timberline. This is a little keychain thingy. My bobber doohickey. Comes with a nice little plastic sheath and a key ring. It's got a O2 wrench. Also got another hole here. I guess you could put a key ring on it. And of course a bottle opener. And it looks like it's got looks to be a seat belt cutter here, a flathead screwdriver, and a little blade. And pretty neat little piece. Comes with a nice little plastic sheath, a lot like the Kydex sheets you see people making holsters out of. I don't think this one's Kydex. Holds in decent, but it looks like it's actually open on this one side. It may eventually come loose, but got the box here. Put this down, cut it here, no cuts, and see, it did score it. I didn't push real hard. I don't want to go too deep into the table, but yeah, it'll cut. Not bad. I mean, in a pinch, I guess it'd be something. But we all know the best thing about this is the bottle opener. So let's try it out here on some Dos Equis. That is some good stuff. I don't like having that blade on top there. There's not much. Yeah, that's kind of. But it pops it right off. Luckily, it's not too sharp, and I probably wouldn't sharpen it, but there it is. Timberline little key ring. It's got a, like I said, it's got the O2 wrench, a blade here, looks like a seatbelt cutter, a bottle opener, and then a little screwdriver. So that's a cool little piece. Not too big, and might actually have some handy uses. So there you go. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.